The Black Friday sales event at 4x4truckleds.com is finally here. Save up to 30% on Diode Dynamics lights and accessories. Morimoto headlights, taillights, fog lights, and LED pods are 20% off. Crystal Lux LED and HID bulbs are 20% off. Take 15% off all KR off-road products. Our fog light kits featuring the KR off-road brackets for the Ford Raptor and Bronco are 15% off. You'll also receive up to $150 in rebates on Baja Designs lights starting Friday the 24th. This rebate can be stacked with other promotions for even more savings. Save 15% on our ARV compressor kits when paired with the KR off-road compressor mounting system. Don't miss our biggest sales event of the year happening right now at 4x4truckleds.com.